Simran takes off like MS Dhoni in the final over, sprinting with determination and urgency. Picture this. The clock is ticking, and the train is about to leave the platform. Every second counts as she races against time, embodying that perfect blend of love and desperation. Just like Dhoni, she's calm under pressure, focused on reaching Raj. It's not just about catching the train, it's about seizing her destiny. Will she make it? That moment captures the essence of DDLJ, love conquering all obstacles, even the ticking clock. It's a thrilling reminder that sometimes you have to run for what you truly want,